CoreWeave, a rising star in AI infrastructure, just posted better than expected revenue for Q2, yet the stock is dropping. It's down almost 30% on the day thus far, leaving investors scratching their head. Now, with demand outpacing supply, will CoreWeave find a way to scale up and seize the AI moment, or will growth bottlenecks hold the company and the stock back? Now, this is the monthly chart, and you can see price did hit all-time highs near $190. We do have all-time lows at about $34. And so if this was a football field, this would be one part of the end zone and this would be the other part of the end zone, with the 50-yard line being roughly at the $100 level, which we call equilibrium. So at the extremes, you do have imbalance between buyers and sellers. In the middle, at the 50-yard line, midfield, buyers and sellers are evenly distributed. Now, going to the weekly chart, you can see we had a rise in price, basing candle, and then the rally out. And so this level becomes a weekly buy level, and we'll call this at the 108 level. And on the upside, you go at current price, you go up and to the left. You have this drop in price, basing candle, and the drop. And so that level becomes a weekly sell level. And we'll call that 168. All right, let's take it down to the daily chart. And if we look at the daily chart, you can see how price has ricocheted and is reacting to this weekly buy level. But below current price, I like this little doji candle. This is a rallying price, basing candle, and rally out. And so for me, this becomes a bear trap. Meaning, if price was to collapse below the 50-yard line, which is at $100, you would have buyers willing to step in at about $90. And we do have another level of interest right at roughly $65, which aligns with the what was at one time all-time highs. All right, nevertheless, where do we go from here? Well, this was a level where the buyers were willing to step in, and so look for buyers to continue to potentially protect this level with a stop below $100. So nothing to do on the trade yet. Let price continue to do what it does, as the chart is suggesting liquidity is going to be down below 110ish. That's where I anticipate price forming a bottle in the form of a potential double bottom before prices move higher. Look for price to ultimately move back higher with a stop at 160.